In this video we will look at 6 trading secrets that will improve your trading massively and help you make tens of thousands of dollars. If that sounds good to you, definitely smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Now without wasting any time, let's get into it. The first thing I want to get into is cutting losses early. Something that both beginners and experienced traders often struggle with. Let me give you an example. You are running an open position, and the market goes against you, almost stopping you out. How often do you feel the need to move your stop lower so the market doesn't do exactly that, stop you out? It certainly is quite natural to feel this way, since all your brain is trying to do is just avoid the pain of losing. And if you keep letting it do that, it can cost you much more than your predefined risk. The best traders are the ones who are able to take a loss as soon as the price goes against them. Equally as important is the second trading secret, knowing when to take profits. Most traders have a predefined risk to reward ratio, and so they know exactly when they will take their profit. Which is a great way, especially for beginners, to not get caught up in the quick decision making. For all the traders that do this, I would recommend just leaving your PC as soon as you enter the trade and only looking at the charts again when you know the result. But for many people, dynamic profit taking is the way. If that is also your case and you want to take your trading up a notch, I would at least suggest marking out a zone when you are planning to potentially take a profit, and then see what happens in that zone. Even though this profit-taking way can be really profitable, and you can many times close out trades that are even 20-to-1 risk to reward, it requires extreme discipline and patience to sit through all the price action, and at the end get out of the trade in the right moment. The third trading secret that is going to help you drastically improve is having a precisely defined strategy and not chasing random opportunities. Something that sounds so simple and almost useless can save you a ton of money. Too many beginners are used to changing their strategies just about every few trades, and it's only because they may have spotted something that could get rid of their pain of either missing out or having a red day. For a lot of traders, all it takes is not spotting an opportunity for a couple of hours, starting to feel the fear of missing out, and suddenly their previous, probably good strategy stops existing. The best way to go about trading is to have a written down strategy that you precisely execute every single time. The next very important thing is not overtrading, and knowing when enough is actually enough. Let me give you an example. A beginner trader and a pro both make 3 trades, and all of them end up losers. The most likely scenario is that the beginner will just keep on trading and trading, raising the leverage, raising the stakes, and losing more and more until eventually he has nothing to lose, because he just simply lost it all. The pro, on the other hand, thinks to himself that he lost enough equity today, and before his emotions could ever take over, he simply stops trading. This can also be applied to winning days. The average trader will likely stop trading after just a few winners, because more than anything he wants to protect what he has just made and once again avoid the pain of losing. Quoting Tom Hoogard, a famous trader. People are usually fearful when they should be hopeful, and hopeful when they should be fearful. The fifth trading secret is that you should not think about money. It sounds quite ridiculous, I know. You might be thinking, how can I never think about money when all that trading is about is making as much money as you can? That is naturally true, and you will want to know how much money you have made in a month, for example. But your main focus as a trader should be to execute every single trade as best as you can and stay consistent in it. Because as soon as you start thinking about all the stuff you could buy if you just raised your leverage a bit, or risked a little more, or even worse, entered a position without proper conviction and without your rules being met. The last secret of profitable and professional traders is not risking too much of their equity. Now, for big hedge funds and million-dollar trading accounts, the max is usually about 1% per trade, whilst the number used by many good traders is 2. You might be thinking that that is too little to grow an account and make some meaningful profits. As much as that's true though, you still have to have a number not too big so a few losses won't cripple your account. I would say that the ideal for small accounts is around 5%, that gives you the ability to make around 10 if you have a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and also to grow your account pretty fast. Still, the less you risk the better, especially when you are a beginner. Many trading gurus will try to convince you that risking 25% of your trading equity on a trade is alright and it is necessary in order for your account to grow. As awesome as doubling your account in one trade sounds, a losing streak will cripple your account and you won't ever be able to build it back up again. Now, if you have stayed this far, let me give you a bonus tip that will also sum everything up. Trading is a mental game. It is not about technical analysis, patterns, highs, lows, indicators, or anything you see on your charts. It is about having a predefined risk, acknowledging that risk, and most importantly, staying true to your edge and never breaking the rules of your strategy. Trust me when I say this, you will be tempted many times to leave your loser's run, cut your profits early, overtrade, or overleverage. However, if you overcome this, and stay true to your edge and your strategy, executing one trade after another, not caring about how much you are currently making or losing, you will come on top, and you will have no problem trading the financial markets profitably. Now I hope you have liked the video and found it helpful. If that's the case, then smash that like button and comment down below what you would like us to cover next. Now traders, I wish you all the best on your trading journey, stay true to your trading edge, and I will see you next time.